Steph Edie. Welcome back to Steph Edie Creates. This is our Mother's Day episode. We're gonna be making something for your sweet mama. We're gonna be making shadow box family trees. There's so many ways you can make them. You can do all white, you can leave the wood unpainted, you can do different backgrounds, like I put craft paper in the background of this. They are good for big families, for little families, whatever kind of family you have, these make amazing gifts. Don't forget to click the subscribe button so you can see all new Steph Edie Creates videos. As always, full instructions will be on my blog, stephedcreates.com, and I will have links to all the products that I use in this video in the comments below. I'm so excited to make these for our moms, so let's get started. Come craft with me, Steph Edie. Here's what you're going to need: a shadow box, a wood tree, and a wooden sign that says family, wood hearts, decorative flowers, white paint, craft glue, a paintbrush, and a black pen. We're gonna start by painting everything white that we need to. You don't have to do a white themed one. I think it looks better in the shadow box. So we're gonna paint everything white. We're gonna start with our tree, our family, and our wooden hearts. Count out as many hearts as you have family members. So I'm gonna pull out 5. And I'm gonna put some white paint into a muffin cup. I think it holds the paint well. That's my little paint hack. We're gonna give everything a nice coat of white paint. So start painting your tree. There are so many different variations of this you can make. This is just one example. You can do different colors, different themes. I like the black and white theme, but it's totally up to you and what your mother will like. When you've finished one coat on your tree, set it down and move on to your family and give that a nice coat of white paint. When you finish painting your family, move on to all of your little hearts and give them a nice coat of white paint as well. I love homemade gifts for Mother's Day. I think it's a nice personal touch, because what do you get for the woman who has everything, who's given you everything? Once everything has its coat of white, we're actually gonna go back and give everything a second coat of paint to make sure that it's nice and bright. So start with your tree again and do another coat of white paint. These also make really great gifts for grandmas, aunts, any woman in your life who you want to celebrate on Mother's Day. This makes a great gift for. Continue with your family and all of your hearts until everything has 2 coats of white paint. Then go ahead and give your paintbrush a rinse. Once everything has dried, we're gonna start writing our names of our family members. Be careful with names that are really long, trying to fit them in. I'm gonna use a font that I love. It's the letters with little circles at the top and the bottom to give it a nice, even look. It's totally up to you. Aren't these so cute? I love these little hearts. After you have all of your names on your hearts, we're gonna start building our shadow box. So take the back out of your shadow box, undo all of your hooks and pop it out. In order to build these, we're gonna need our craft glue. So I'm actually going to pour some glue into another muffin cup so it's easier to use. And we're going to paint a thin layer of glue all over the back of the tree. And press that sucker down onto the back of the shadow box and hold it there for about 10 seconds. Now we're going to glue on our little hearts. So I like to arrange them before I glue them so I know where they're gonna go. So place them out. I always put my mom at the very top. So we're gonna put her up there. And then my dad and my brother and my sister and me. Once they're placed out, use your paintbrush to put some glue on the back and glue them on as well. Don't forget to also glue on your family. So put some glue on the back of that and press that down and glue it on. The final touches, take your flowers and we're going to arrange them out just like we did with the hearts. So place them where you think that you might like them, all around your tree. Some big ones, some small ones. When they're all laid out, take your paintbrush, put some glue on the back, and glue your flowers on as well. Once you have everything glued on, it should look like this or something similar depending on the color scheme that you made. So now we're gonna put it in the frame and see how it looks. Looks pretty good. Now you have your Mother's Day gift ready to go. She's going to love it because who doesn't love something that's handmade specifically for them? Enjoy, happy Mother's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video making shadow box family trees for your mom. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button. As always, full instructions are on my blog, stephidcreates.com. Follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at stephidcreates. Send me pictures if you make these. These are so sweet. I know your mom's gonna love them. My mom is going to. Hopefully she doesn't see this video before. Forgot about that. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Keep sending me ideas of what you want me to make. I love seeing your inspiration. Use the hashtag StephieDCreates if you do make any of my projects. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.